Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use demo trading on MEXC Global. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're here, you will just have to click this login button right here, and of course log in with your right credentials. And once you've logged in, you should see the trade option right here. Or futures. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. And what you will have to do is you will click demo trading and just wait for it to load, and of course make sure to log in so that you will be able to access it. And once you go to your demo, you will basically just select the market that you want to practice, which is either spot or futures, and then you will just have to check your demo account balance. And by the way, it's virtual, so you won't lose real funds. And then you will just have to place buy or sell orders exactly in live trading, and you will monitor trades, learn how orders, stop loss, and take profit work. And by the way, you will adjust the strategies and repeat, and the demo trading will help you gain confidence. And yeah, you could use demo trading frequently to practice before entering live trades, and it's a safe way to learn market mechanics. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.